Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming you can sign into Gmail with your password. Do that now. Once signed in, make sure your primary phone number and recovery email are current because Google sends codes there. Next, locate any saved backup codes or a hardware security key. If you used an authenticator app, open it and check stored tokens. These steps let you proceed safely. Do not skip them, because they prevent lockout while you change two-step settings. You go to Google account, then security, then two-step verification to inspect every active method. Look at SMS numbers, authenticator entries, and registered security keys. Once done, remove any devices or numbers you no longer control. Make sure to add a current phone, re-register your authenticator app by scanning a new QR code, and register a hardware key if you have one. This ensures the system will deliver codes to devices you actually possess, so you won't be locked out later. You finish by generating fresh backup codes and storing them in a secure place like an encrypted password manager. Note at least one physical copy if needed. Then test signing in on a different device using an alternate verification method to confirm everything works. Finally, make sure recovery options are updated so Google can verify your identity if needed. If you still can't access the account, use Google's account recovery flow and be ready to supply recent activity details. That usually resolves stubborn verification failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.